Hello, everybody. 大家好. I'm Melissa, and I just wanted to give a shout out to LCTS, Learning Chinese Through Stories podcast. I really enjoy their content. I've been listening to it for a while. I especially enjoy the story walkthroughs, where early on when I started listening to LCTS, I thought this was a pretty unique part of their podcast, and that they explain the Mandarin story using Mandarin, which for me was very exciting. So they don't use a whole lot of English, and I love that because I'm here to learn Mandarin. Also, I really love the attitude that the two creators bring to their podcasts and to their story walkthroughs. Is kind of contagious. The joy and the happiness that they bring to the podcast is really kind of contagious, and then also it's very motivating, and if you've gotten to any level of Mandarin, especially coming from English or another Western language, you know that it's a long haul, and staying motivated is really important, and listening to the LCTS, podcast really help keeps me motivated. Also, I wanted to put in a plug for the supporters group. If you support on Patreon or Kajabi, you might get access to weekly or biweekly meetings of the supporters with one of the creators of the podcast, and those are really fun. We have sometimes we play games, sometimes we just talk on certain subjects, and someone does a really good job with those, and I enjoy those very much. So, if you do like LCDS, make sure you go through and support them. Thanks. 再见.